Good morning. Today is lesson number 50. We're gonna learn the SQLAlchemy library. What we do, we're gonna import the create engine, foreign key, column, date, integer, string, declarative, base, relationship, and back reference. And we're gonna create an engine and call it mymusic.db. And you're gonna do that, and under we're gonna create a class base, passing the base, which is this one here. And then we're gonna create an artist. Artist gonna have the ID and can have a primary key. Name's gonna be a string, and albums you're gonna have table name is going to be album. You have an ID, title, release date, publisher, media type, artist ID, and you can have artist, you can have relationship, artist, and album. And then after that, you're just going to create it. Okay? Let's run this program, see how it goes. So create table. There you go. Very fast. It's just going to create it. Ding, 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 ding. It's done. Okay. Now we're going to add a record. You add a record. You're going to look at what it does. Okay. You can import date and time. Again, you can import the engine, session maker. This is the program that we already created. We're just gonna import it, album and artist, and then you're gonna get an engine, create session to it, and then you're gonna create a new artist. This is the name of it. Album, you're gonna have a title, release date, and publisher. You have this value. Remember that this is like a tuple, and this is like another record and a row in this actually column. There's a 3 column, the value in this album table, and you can have more record, 1 record, 2, 3. That's fine. You can do that. After that, you can extend it, and then you can add a new artist. After that, you're gonna commit it, and you're gonna add all to the artist 1, 2, 3, right? After that, you're gonna commit it. So you can do add or command, and then after that, I just give you an example that you can look at the value of the album. Okay. All right. Let's run this program. Run should be add data. Voila. Okay, it's gonna tell you that it's gonna it gives you a bunch of commands, as it said, but it does. It's gonna insert into, which is nice. It gives you a command that you can look at it. See, it's committed. Insert. I kind of like this thing. This Alchemy SQL is kind of nice. Actually, show you the command release it. That's another. Now after you're done, we're just gonna print it. This is the record. It's been added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about 8 records in here. That's all. Now let's see. You're gonna modify it. Modify. What it does is do the same thing. Import it. Do the assertion. You're gonna filter, looking for this artist name, and then you're gonna change the name from Good Thing to Beach Boy, right? And now let's see what it does. And this one, you're gonna find a title for try to this, and then you're gonna commit it, and then let's see. Look at the album from this, gonna change to this. See, it does. Okay, I think it will change it. Remember, this is the dry. It's gonna be changed to this. Okay, I'm gonna run it. Modify. Look at that. The record changed from dry to this. That's what it does. Okay. So the thing is, you have to find it, right? You have to find the filter title equal dry, right? You get to do that. Okay. So this is you can do it. You can look at to table, artist and album, and you do a joining, right? Joining album material, filter it, and you're gonna find this equal the looking for title equal that, and then you're gonna assign the new title and you're gonna commit it. That's all it does. That's nice. Now see, can you delete it? Okay, delete, you do the same thing, do everything. Now you're gonna search for the artist name equal that. I don't know I can do that because if I delete the artist should be there, right? I didn't do it, which is okay. See if I can query and add it in here. Let's say I do this. Let's say I do artist, right? Artist. Or then I do the same thing, but I have to know the name of the artist. Let's see. I'm gonna do right here. Let's go find the value in here. I didn't add at the beginning, which is fine. But I have to know the name. Yes, I got it. Okay, I have an ID. Now row ID, I'm gonna get the artist name. Right, this is gonna be the name. Okay, we just send it to be a name, and that's it. This is going to be artist ID and name. You don't need this, so we just need this two. Remove that, and we're going to print it. So let's just say print dash time 100. Let's see what it does. Do the same thing, so you know. Like that, and you're gonna run the delete data. See what it does. Okay. Run the program. Delete the data. Let me see. The name, Beach Boy, MFPX is gone, right? Yes. You have the name is no longer there. That's it. See? It's gone. The record is gone. Okay? You don't see the name. I think I should put it over here before I do it, but it's okay. But this does prove the point that you can delete the record by use the command delete with the record's name. Okay, with the ID. And you delete it, and once you do that, the records will disappear. You don't see anymore. Okay? Alright, this is a bit longer, it's about 9 minutes, so I cram everything here into one session here, so you know that the SQLAlchemy, you can be able to create, modify, add, and delete the record. Alright, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.